Is that a tadpole? That's crazy. Hey guys, this is Mike with Pool Aid and welcome back to another dirty pool. This is a green to clean today. It is definitely filthy. I have no idea what the bottom looks like, but those steps over there are looking kind of rough. Everything's looking rough. It's apparently got tadpoles in it swimming around. It's pretty interesting. We're also going to be doing a filter clean over here. I already got the filters taken out, about to get it all sprayed down, get that filmed for you as well. Got the manifold taken out, got to go through this little cubby, get to all the equipment. Already did the water test today. Obviously no chlorine at all, and pH is very high. It's extremely purple. So before we get it brushed down today, we're gonna add some shock to the pool. We're gonna add a whole lot of acid. Alkalinity was pretty high in here, sitting at about a 140. So gonna put a lot of acid. We're gonna have to bring that down, as well as the pH, and a lot of shock is going in, so we gotta add even more acid to counteract the pH of the shock. And then we're going to brush it down, and then we're going to spray off the filters, and then we'll call it a day and we'll be good to go. So let's get to it, guys. I start off the same way that I always do. I stir the shock in a bucket before walking it around the entire pool. This helps it dissolve properly and spread evenly, so it works much more effectively than just dumping it in one spot. I've also got a bottle of Pool Tech with me. It's an algicide and chlorine enhancer, which is exactly what I need for this pool right now. Not only does it help kill and prevent algae, but it also boosts the chlorine I'm adding, making the treatment even more effective and giving the pool the best chance of clearing up quickly. Alright, let's get this done. These cleaned up. Alright guys, we just got done cleaning up the filters. Definitely took a little bit. I was gonna get them put back in the filter. Turns out they have a pretty bad band on there, so we're leaving it like this for now. We'll be back tomorrow or the next day or whenever he gets a new band and get that in. And that's a massive improvement already. The Flock and Pool Tech have done a great job clearing things up. We're on day 3 now, and all that fine dust and debris has sunk to the bottom. So it's time to vacuum everything out and keep the cleanup moving. like it.
drift away from the shore, walking down a new kind of road. I don't wanna go home anymore. Head into the darkness, nothing I won't do. And if you leave the light on, I can't find you soon. Mostly you.
But we're done with the waste bag. We're gonna go ahead and get on this riptide, get the rest of these leaves out of here, brush the pool, shock the pool again. Well, we'll test the chemicals before we shock it, but it's probably gonna get shocked again today. And then should be good today after the brush. Come back again tomorrow. Might need another waste bag, we will see. This pool has been neglected for about a year, so there are quite a few issues to deal with. Unfortunately, the customer can't afford to fix everything right now, so the goal is to get the system running as well as possible with the budget they have. The first problem was an air leak at the pump. It's small, so I think we can deal with it. And the filter band was also bent. We cannot seal the filter with that, so we had to replace that. We put the filter back together and fired the system up, but that wasn't the end of it. We immediately found another leak coming from the air relief valve cap on top of the filter, so we replaced that too. And after fixing both issues, we finally had the system back up and running, even with an air leak, which meant we could move on with bringing the pool to a better state. Alright guys, welcome back again. We're at the final day at this pool. We have done everything that's required here. There is no more algae in this pool, no more dust in this pool. The filter is up and running. No more tadpoles swimming around in swarms in the bottom of this pool. This pool is ready to go and looking good. It's blue. Pretty. There's no black algae on the walls anymore. It does still have a little bit of staining to some of the plaster. You can see there in the bottom a little bit of a difference in color down there. But beyond all that, this thing is good looking and ready to go. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment down below what your favorite part of this cleaning was. Until next time guys, I'll see you later.